Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, we will try to find out how much is YouTube TV NBA League Pass. So it will be updated video as of 2025. So in order to find it out, you will have to come on tv.youtube.com and then you just have to log in into your account. Afterwards, click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen and come in your settings. Now in your settings, you will be on the membership page where you just have to scroll down a bit, and in this list you just have to try to find out NBA League Pass. Now over here you can see that for the entire season the NBA League Pass will cost you $49.99, and for monthly you are going to get 7-day free trial and you will have to pay $16.99 per month. So you can add any of the plans that you want here. So in my opinion, the entire season pass is value for money. However, you need to make sure that it is non-refundable. So if you want to subscribe for it, you need to simply click on the add button and select your payment method and conclude your payment. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.